Why are you here?
Because you say hi to me just now.
Yeah, but I asked you to go to your room to sleep, right?
But I love you.
I know, but you still have to sleep in your own room.
But I don't want
Why?
to because I love to sleep here, please.
You're not allowed to sleep in my room.
But please, I'm sick.
You're not sick.
See? I'm sick. I told you.
That's not real coughing.
That was real coffee. That was real.
You're a really bad actress.
That was real.
Let's pretend.
No, that was real.
You're not. You're fine. Let's go.
See, I was real. I don't want to go into my room.
Oh, is it real tears or fake tears? Are you squeezing it out of your eyes? Oh yeah, there's one tear.